IRSTOCK 945 is a drum vending machine that serves as a comprehensive solution for dispensing, returning, and ordering products, as well as managing inventory levels. Its flexible compartment layout with customizable dimensions allows for the storage of up to 945 products, including PPE, welding and abrasive supplies, power tools, cutting and hand tools, and consumables. Our proprietary cloud-based IRSYSTEM software enables seamless access control, allowing employees to retrieve individual products or groups of items while setting withdrawal limits. It also fully automates product ordering, reporting, cost tracking, and production order management. Convenient and fast loading, dispensing, and return options minimize downtime, delivering measurable cost savings. Practical login methods, including RFID cards, PIN codes, barcodes, and QR codes along with a user-friendly interface, ensure effortless and intuitive operation of all machine functions. Discover how the IRSTOCK 945 can optimize your production, business, and logistics processes. Visit IRMATIC.com and sign up for a free demonstration.